Here's how Mediacloud works. To begin, the project is created by the marketing team. They select the consent form type, and they simply email out the URL to the video crew. Once on site, the crew opens the link in a browser and creates a unique QR code. Then each participant scans the QR code with their own phone. They read the consent text, take a selfie, input their name and email, and then simply just swipe. Our software then automatically matches the uploaded footage with the right release forms for that specific project. This way, consent forms and source footage is sort of paired together already from the beginning. This makes GDPR and compliance much easier in the future, since the system can auto-generate PDF reports for compliance. Customers using our GDPR-certified workflow and quick consent technology can significantly reduce their administration costs and legal risks. And that's the reason we built this platform. It simply enables our customers to take ownership of their footage and trust our certified workflow, so they can spend their time producing more high-quality content.